Hello everyone, I can only sleep at night. Which is true actually, in real life I can only sleep at night. Welcome to Trainwreck Islands! Last time we went to the lighthouse, which, as I recall using my advanced sense of navigation, was over there. When the world generates I'll find out if I'm right or not. Hello, floaty boat. Was it over there? I think it was. Zoom out? Oh, can't tell. Anyway, today we need to move on to something else, and I figured, hey, why not? Let's move over to this big island over here. That is very similar to the one that we're starting on. Can I see the... Well, there's a boat there, so we did go over there, because otherwise there wouldn't be a boat there. There's a house on top of the giant hill. Ooh, don't crash into the land and stop. Oh, never mind. Okay. Every time that happens, I'm reminded of the scene in Airplane where the guy goes, "Oh, I have a drinking problem," and then instead of drinking, he throws the water at his face. You kind of have to see it, but whatever. So now in here, ooh, huh? Where's um hmm hmm yes, that's let's come back here in a second. Let's explore the island a little bit more, because there's this kind of strange crop circle-y kind of thing made out of sand. Is there anything underneath the sand? There's more sand. Maybe I should have brought a shovel with me. I might have to bring a shovel when we next come back here and have a look at what's going on with the sand. Because there's a... well, according to the minimap anyway, there's a nice ring around it, so... theoretically something's going on. What's the brown bits as well? Oh, this must be... it might be where sheep have been eating it. Okay. Well, let's head down into that area, down into there, and see what's going on down there. I have a feeling it's going to be bad, because, well, nothing's ever good in this map. It's all very nicely designed, but oh, it's all very difficult and mean. Okay, what are we dealing with? Oh, great. More of this. I did not look at... well, actually I did. I know full well that I looked at him that time, but... buzz off. Huh. I'm guessing this must be the dungeon you're supposed to do without using melee weapons. Well, that is no longer going to happen, because I did actually kill a couple of guys there using, well, using melee weapons, and the bow as well, which I believe is against the rules, and I will play by the rules. The rules are there for the reason to be obeyed, so therefore I made a mistake, my fault, no bonus for me. I'm okay with that. It's my fault. I have no idea what kind of spawners these are. All I know is I want to block that off before Creeper gets through. Skelly spawners. Interesting. Can I get his feet? Nope. Okay. Pew! Oh, and he's gone. Good. Now, what else are we dealing with down there? There's more creepers and things over there. Okay. What's that? Is that skeleton? I think that's a... oh, yeah, well, one's appeared. Must be skeletons. Gotcha. Hey, Cole, how you doing? Could do with some of you on the LSBU survival world. We haven't got a lot of coal. Hey, there's a gold man coming to club me to death with a bone. Oh. Okay. Hey, he dropped his chest plate. Sweet. Put that there. Stop that from happening. Put that there. Oh, there's 3 creeper spawners there. Oh, and these are just... This is a zombie and a skeleton. Dooby dooby doo! Yeah, look at that, that's 3 creepers. Holy bananas! Oh! Okay. Maybe we should try and tackle these from a distance, so that makes that a bit easier. Yeah. Okay, well... Oh! Whoa! Why did they spawn? Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Okay. Get out of here, boys. Come on now, look, the spawner weren't even active. Why are you spawning in for? You can't just spawn in if the spawner's not active. Ooh! What the fudge? Get lost. I can deal with these guys anyway, there's only 2 of them. So, get down there, torch, get back up. I think that's how we're going to have to deal with that. Okay. Oh, didn't realise. Fine, okay. Down. Block, 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 block. Whatever. Move out so they're okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's water above these things. Cool. Okay. There's another 3 down there, though. Which could be bothersome. How am I... spider. Get rid of that fella. Don't know who I'm hitting there. I think I might have just hit a bat. Okay, so go down, block, block. Put the blocks in place. Make that a bit easier to deal with. Oh, ow. Okay, so up. No! Nuts. Fine. Okay. It could be worse. Could certainly be better as well, though, mind. Ugh. Put that there. Hopefully that will make things a little bit safer. And... boop. Okay. Alright, okay, so there's still a bit of danger over there. Headshot in the head! Oh, you little whiny problem. Oh, God, the spawners. Oh, shut up. Okay, down. Block, block, block. Let's get rid of these. Okay. What's wrong with you? There we are. See, this is how we do it. There's a lot of gold people down there. Skelly! Haha, unlike you, I can shoot through the gap. Okay. Look at them all! This is going to have to be a very slow and steady job. Okay, so let's knock these guys out. Gold can go as well. Then we're going to need to slowly but surely work our way down. Not that these guys are going to help with that. They're just going to plough up here because that's what they want to do. Get lost. Ah, shot a bat. Okay, I think I'll get rid of these. Down, torch, retreat. Okay, we've got 2 in. Fine, that'll do me. That's it, let's just get rid of all these guys. At least a little bit. Did he just drop a bow for me? I think he did. Okay. Next plan of action. He generated before the spawner turned on. Okay, well that's not happening very well. Oh, you frickin' bat! Bats are just designed to get in your face. Oopsie daisy. Careful now. There's no need for in-house fighting. Oh, fudge off, would you? All of you. Okay. Let's get down and dirty. Block, block. Block, block, block. Just so that I'm theoretically safe. Get out of here, things. Hey, chainmail. Ah. Well, you've made this undesirable. Whoever it was who just blew up. Oh. Thank God for knockback. Right. Okay. Eat. Buzz off. Okay. Feeling alright. Even if the situation here is very unfortunate. Could be in a lot of trouble. Well, no, we are going to be in a lot of trouble. I know that for definite. There's some information I can tell you for nothing. So let's do the old tunnelaroo. Or not. Hey! Cunning plan. Let's get myself a bit of help here. If I take that, put that there, can let all that in. Hopefully that will keep them out, well, a little bit out of my way at least. Okay, so there he goes. Blimey! Oh, don't you dare knock me in! You little... Ugh! Gonna get rid of those in case I need to retreat quickly for a purpose. Oh, well, that's ruined that. How is it you who keeps shooting me? You little... Okay. In and down. Okay, well, that'll work. Sure, why not? Yeah, sure. You guys keep... Ooh-hoo-hoo! Because I need a safe way to do this. Hello. That'll do. That's not what I wanted. That's it. You guys just carry on. Okay, fine. Spider, you can have that arrow. Oh, okay. Spider's just arrowing out here. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. Torch. Torch. You must have been mad if you wanted me to do this without conventional weapons. Who do you think I am? Oh well, look, there's more of it here. Doing alright actually. I don't really need that, but why? Oh, you flipping bat! Ooh, hi. Okay. So let's take a moment here. I'm actually going to fix this up now. So I don't feel like I need that anymore. The hell? Go away. Taking these guys out as well. Get lost! Booby dooby doo. Right. Are there any arrows in here? Don't know why there would be. I'm not supposed to be using them. Is there anything else I can turn into books? No, no sugar. Hello, I heard your footsteps. Sound like you're wearing high heels, you flippin' bats! Why didn't you die after 2 hits? You... Okay. Fine. Well, he glitched all over the place. That wasn't my fault. Okay. Keeping an eye out for more spawners as well, because I might just walk past 1 or 2 of them. In fact, I'm fairly certain I will. Okay, so that way's safe. Get out of it, you bat! Otherwise I will jam this pickaxe straight in your back! Stupid creature. Bloody menace. Right. Oh, what, you want? There's a hole in the ceiling there. I didn't trust it. I thought there might be a spawn up there. Clear off! What am I doing for arrows? Not good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Coated in them. Whoa! Now it's busy. Okay. Yeah, here we are. We are semi-pro here now. Let's get rid of that. I'm running out of torches though, which is a bit unnerving. Water's leaking in. Okay, well I have run out of torches. I need more, but I haven't got a way of getting more. Look at all the bows and things I've been given here. I've got a bit of coal. If I can find sticks anywhere, then, you know, by some odd chance. I wonder if anywhere has anywhere. Oh, I've just no. Oh, my hat broke. That sucks. No, there weren't any in there. Okay, well, there's one. I should probably put that there actually to be safe. I saw glowstone in. That's not really enough. What about higher up? Was there anything I could use up at the top, maybe? Dunno. Hoo-wee. Do. There were a few chests up here though, weren't there? What's in this one? Flint and steel I could use, actually. Might take a couple of those for kind of just for torchlight, I guess. Just to set a bit of the ground on fire and do it that way. What's in here? Ah! That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. And on my way down, I think I'm gonna heal up some of these bows. Been given a bunch of them, may as well. Okay, so there's those there. There's those there. Yeah, I did say that right, didn't I? Did I? Don't know. Where's coal? Hello, coal. I'm looking for you. There we are. I knew there was a bit more around somewhere. So then we can put that in there and then follow that up with that. And there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. And hey, where the hell did you come from? Okay. Why are they taking 3 hits now all of a sudden? I swear they was only taking 2. Hey, well, there's another one. What is this? National Creeper Get in the Corner Day? Whoop, well, suits me. Hey, Lupus. Zombie, how you doing? Ow. Oh, there's another one. Hello. How are you? Glad you could make it. Time to die. Right. Now let's go and beat this place. Down, 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 down. Okay. Well, I actually meant to shoot my bow there, but whatever. That'll do. Those skeletons are having a fight. They can carry on with that. I was going to say, someone will win. Ultimately, I was the winner. Who wins? Society! Ha ha! Okay. Let's get through here. Yeah, I saw there was a lot of stuff going up there, and I thought that was a creeper spawner. None of this. Get out. I don't... Oh no, I guess the gravel's safe to update because I put a torch on it. I was going to say, I don't want it... Whoa! You got power on that thing? Whoa! Okay, well there goes the spawner. That was helpful McGee. And there goes another one. I really can't afford to keep losing torches in this way. There's a creeper. Straight out of the darkness. Whoop! Marvellous. Hey, Lupus 2.0. Oh, there's more of you. For whatever end. I'm out of torches again, which means I'm going to have to light things. Right, well, this is busy. Go away, things. There are so many things. Backing up, because my daddy taught me good. Right. Wait here. Get blocks. Ooh, someone wasn't happy. Pew. Let's do this. Okay. Ooh, right, okay. Just gonna put Sissy Bar in. Gives me a chance to get rid of that. Now I can see. Oh, this goes on. Oh, look, you're all caught in the water. That's it. You just blow up there. That's what I was aiming for. And what do you want? Okay, well I've got another thing there, but I haven't got any sticks. Don't want to walk into that. Oh! Whoa, right. How the fudge are you supposed to do this, like, normally? Oh, not normally, sorry, like, without conventional weapons. No chance, mate. I really hate this. This is getting dangerous and needlessly precarious now. This is not something I'm happy with. Ooh. Okay. I mean, this is fine. Well, it was fine. Till that happened. Oh my god, now everything's coming for me. Okay. I don't know if that was helpful to me in the end or not. Ow! No. None of that. Not while we're being all dangerous here. Oh, nuts. Get out of here! Whew. Okay, we can do this. Oh, hey, there's another one. Is that the wall? I think I spy the wall. Ooh, okay, that's water. Ow! Oh, don't give a nuts what you think about this. Go away. Your opinions are invalid! gone! As for you, sniping me from the riverbank, some kind of jailer. Oh, what do you want, eh? Okay, we can do this. I don't care about you. Oh, what do you? Where's the spawner gone? Buzz off, idiot! I mean, this could all be solved if I just went back and got some torches. It would be much easier and nicer, but I don't want to have to make that trip. I can't be bothered. You know, I'm here now. I may as well go for it. I haven't even got anything I can disable the not disable, get rid of the gravel with quickly. Hey, that's leaking. Okay, well that might have impacted my chances at this in some way. Probably shouldn't be using the... Oof, 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 oof. Ow! Clear off, you hateful little things! All I want to do here is block this water off. Right. Not even there! Okay. Whew. Right. This is dangerous. Unlike anything I've ever smelt before. Yes. Gone! Okay. Go. 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 Spider. Oh! Little bag. Try and do this safely now. Ooh, okay. That's it, that'll do. No. No, 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 no. Oh dear, oh dear, oh! Huh, 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 huh. Okay, hop. Ah! Oh, I'm dead. I am so dead. Oh. I'm so dead unless I can work out somewhere to hide. Oh! Fudge! Okay, okay, okay. Ha! Right. Well, when we come back, ladies and gentlemen, because this recording has been going on for absolutely ages, when we come back, we're going to carry on with this dungeon. See you then. Goodbye. Hoo-hoo-wee.